Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Okay, welcome on board for another science lesson. And I want to take you through the signs of unhealthy animals. Remember, animals when sick, they don't report. They will never tell you that I have a stomach ache. Therefore, it is you to make observation and call a veterinary or treat the animal, know how to treat the animal. And therefore, I want to teach them how do you tell that your livestock is ill or is unhealthy. Therefore, that's why I want to take you the signs of unhealthy animals or unhealthy livestock. One, when you look at those animals, number one, they tend to have what we call retarded growth. Retarded growth is also known as the stunted growth. The stunted growth. What I mean by this is that you realize that the animals are not maturing at the normal rate compared to other animals. A cow that is 23 years old looks as if it is 1 year. They look weak. Such animals are said to have retarded growth or stunted growth, and that is a sign of illness. The other sign I want to take you through is blood in stool. Once you realize that there is blood in stool, there must be an infection that is affecting the internal parts of the animal, and that's the reason they produce they defecate blood-stained stool. Therefore, this is a sign of unhealthy animal. The other one is coughing. If you realize that the animals are coughing, the animals might be having infection of the breathing system or worms, and therefore they ought to be treated. The other sign I want to take you through is what we call loss of weight. Loss of weight. If animals are losing weight progressively, that one means number one, they are ill or they are unhealthy, the livestock are unhealthy. Number two, they are having poor feeding habits, and that is the reason they lose weight. So loss of weight is a sign of unhealthy animal. We also have, apart from the loss of weight, we also have a laugh coat. A laugh coat. What I mean by laugh coat is a healthy livestock has smooth wool. But the moment you realize that the wool is somehow rough, it is not smooth, that animal is sick. Maybe it has wounds in the skin or it has other infection. But a healthy animal should have a very smooth skin. The other sign of unhealthy animal is what we call dry muzzle. The dry muzzle. Near, for example, a cow. Where we have the cow's nose here, this part that does not have wool, or does not have fur, is known as the muzzle. It is always moist. It looks as if the animal is sweating throughout. If you find it dry, this animal is sick. The other one, the animal can also be restless. Restless means it is not stable. For example, if an animal has rabies, it can never be stable. There, it will keep jumping from one place to another. Others will sleep in an unusual way for long hours. And remember that these animals ought feed continuously. The other one is watery eyes. Watery eyes. If you see an animal, they are seeming to cry throughout, that animal is sick. The watery eyes. The watery eyes. And therefore, these are signs. The last sign is what we call reduced yields. Reduce, the word reduce means sudden. What I mean by sudden, I'll give an example with a cow. If in the morning you milked 5 liters from the cow, then in the evening you milk 3. So there is a sudden drop of 2. We say there is reduced yields. There is a difference between the word reduced and lower. Lower is long term. Lower means if I was to use the word lower yields, I would be referring to long term effects. Therefore, that is not a sign. A sign is reduced. My chicken were laying every day for the whole week. Now they are laying once per week. There is a problem with them. Reduced yields. Then I want to take you through what we call the effects of ill health. Ill health in livestock. Ill health in livestock. If animals are sick, what are the results? What are the effects? Number one, if the animal is not treated, the disease will cause death. The animal will die. Death. Some of the diseases are contagious and can be transmitted to human beings. Therefore, we say that such animals can transmission of diseases to human. The other thing is that when these diseases attack, when these infections affect the animals, they also lower the yields. Here I'm talking of like permanency. Here the reduced was a sign, but now it might be after treating. I said you milked 5, you milked 3 in the evening. That was reduced. What if now you milked today 5, tomorrow 3, next day 3, the next day 1? It is reducing every day. Now it has become permanent. There is lower yields. This is a result. And the last one is reduced quality. Let me write it here. Reduced quality of produce. Reduced quality of produce. Quality of produce. Or products. I'll give an example with milk. If a cow has a problem with the milk, then milk that has stains of blood, that milk will not have any market value. You have reduced the quality. Then now we note better in this. When an animal is ill, or when the livestock is ill, you can do 2 things. One, you can do what we call isolate, or you can do what we call quarantine. And what is the difference between the two? To isolate, if an animal has a contagious disease to other animals, if this is the animal, you separate it to the others. So it can move around here, but not getting into one with this. You have isolated. But there are other diseases that are contagious, not only contagious to animal, but also to human, and are killer diseases. Therefore, you isolate that animal. Then from there, you restrict the movement. That cannot go beyond this point. You have restricted movement. You have quarantined. So to quarantine is to isolate and restrict movement. To isolate is to separate because the animal has a contagious disease. We quarantine if the disease is affecting human. Never touch the carcass of an animal. In case you get such, call the veterinary or government officer. You should also not buy meat from quacks. The government should ensure inspection of meat, and all meat sold in a butchery should have the county government stamp. Otherwise, have a good day.